Hello children, I hope you all are doing good today. Okay, today I have got one very interesting activity for you. Okay, see this water here, and here are the few things that I have collected for you. Okay, so today we are going to perform an experiment for float and sink activity. I hope you all know what is float and what is sink. Okay, what is float? Okay, when we put something in water, anything, any object in water, and it goes in water, or you can say it goes below the surface of water. You can see this is surface of water, and if it goes below the surface of water, it sinks. And if it stays over the surface of water, means it stays over the water, it floats. So here are few things that I have collected for you. Okay, so let's start with the coin here. See, I have a 2 rupee coin for you. Let's put it in the water. Okay, now you can see it goes below the surface of water. So, coin sinks. Now, I have this wooden bead. So, let's try with this wooden bead. Okay, see? This wooden bead floats. Again, I have this block for you. See, this is a plastic block. Let's try. Okay, it also floats. I have this marble now. Can you see this marble? Yes, let's put this marble in the water. Okay, it sinks. You can see this marble sinks in water. Now, let me grab a leaf. Okay, this is a leaf. You can see this is a leaf. And let's put this leaf in water. Yes, leaf also floats. Now I have this dice for you. I hope you all have this dice at home. You can also perform this activity. Okay, let's see this dice, and oops, it sinks. Now I have this bottle of paint for you, and let's try to put it in the water. Okay, that also sinks, and I have this small bubble wrap for you. You know, we can pack things in that. Okay, let's try to put it. Okay, this bubble wrap also floats. So let's try to sort the things. Okay, so let's sort it out. This was floating in water, so I'm keeping here. Okay, leaf is floating, this wooden bead is floating, and this plastic block is also floating. Okay, so let's take out the things that are in the water, that has gone below the surface of water. Okay, dice. Okay, now I'm taking out this marble, and now I am taking out this coin. Okay, so these things, these were above the surface of water. Okay, so these were over the surface of water, so they were floating, and these things went below the surface of water, so these things sink in water always. Okay, so now I want to show you one interesting activity. Okay, so see this glass, this is full of water. See, now what I am going to do. See, I am taking this paint bottle and I am keeping this in water. I am putting this in water. See. And see what just happened. This water has come out. Why? Because when we put paint, or you can say any object in water, it displaces water. See, when this has gone in the water, it has displaced some water out of the glass. See, let's try to take it out. I'm trying to put my fingers in. Okay, see, again more water is coming out because I'm putting my fingers in, and this is displacing even more water. So now you remember this thing. What? When we put something in water, it displaces water because it has weight. So it has displaced some water. Okay, so always remember this. Okay, so now you remember, I'm taking this marble again. This was sinking, right? So can you find some way by which you can make this marble float? Okay, with these things Okay, let me show you some magic here. See this bubble wrap? Okay, here I have this marble wrapped in it, and see I'm putting this. Should I? Okay, I am going to put this. Oh, now see this magic. This marble is floating. It is not going in the water. See? So now you get it. You can make any object sink or float like this. Same way, when we are sitting in a boat, we are floating. Otherwise, if we do not know swimming, we go in the water. But when we are in the boat, see, like a boat, this marble is also floating. Good? Very nice. I hope you have learned a great concept today. See you again. Take care. Bye.